Hello, today I'll be showing the non-invasive ventilator, how to set it up and what are the necessary parts with it. So at the beginning I'll just show you the necessary parts. The first one is the NIV unit. This is the NIV unit, and here you'll see this is the air out, and on this side you have a port to power the unit. And for powering up, we'll be giving you this power adapter, and you'll be connecting essentially this barrel jack to the power connection. And for the helmet side, we have the helmet, and we have a viral filter and that is connected to the PIP valve. And then we have this hose. So one side of the hose has the oxygen connector. So essentially here you'll supply oxygen that can be over 15 liter per minute. If it's also 15, that should work. And the other side will be connected to the actual ventilator unit. So at the beginning I'll be showing how to set the unit up. So you need to connect the power supply to the unit, and you'll essentially connect the barrel jack to the power and turn it on. So here you can see the touch screen that will light up when you turn on the power. So this is the setup on the ventilator side. I'll show you how to set up the helmet, and then I'll show the operation of the whole unit. For setting up the helmet, in the helmet you have two ports here, actually three if you see the red one. So this is for drinking water. If the patient needs water, you can give a straw and give water to the patient. And here you have two ports. You can choose either of them as inlet and outlet. So if we want to use the right side one here as the inlet, I'll connect. See this is the oxygen connector, and it has the CPAP hose connected to it. So I'll basically connect this to one side, and on the other side I have this is the viral filter and the PEEP valve. And here you can see it's a dial, it's a mechanical dial. You can change the setting. Right now the setting is set to 5, but if you need, you can increase the setting to up to 20 centimeter of water. And I'll be connecting this to the outlet side. So here I have connected both these two. So this is the setup from on the helmet side. Now I'll be showing. So here you have the other end of the hose. You will take that and connect this to the NIV unit. Okay. So I'm taking this and connecting this to the NIV unit. When you turn on the display, you'll see both EPAP and IPAP are set to 5. To check if the unit is working properly, you can just press start. So here you'll hear a sound. And then if you want to adjust the setting to, let's say, 15 CPAP, I can increase the setting to 15. And then I'll press update. And here it's essentially increasing the whole pressure to 15, both EPAP, IPAP, as it's running on CPAP. And then you can see the helmet will get pressurized. If I just hold it here, you'll see instantly it gets pressurized, the helmet. You can press stop to stop the machine. One thing to keep in mind, you have to keep the unit running before you give it to the patient, because it's an enclosed space. You need the airflow. Without that, there is a possibility of CO2 rebreathing. So before giving this to the patient, you have to keep the unit running. You can use 2 persons to help the patient to put on the helmet, and it's much easier. And it's good to provide earplugs to the patient, because it gets a bit noisy inside the helmet. And if you have any specific questions, please reach out to me via email. Thank you so much.